Antony, the Brazilian magician with flair, pace, and creativity, a player well known for his dazzling footwork and electric style. But why would he be the perfect fit for Real Betis? Let's break it down. Today we're diving deep into why Antony could be the game changer for Real Betis needs. First off, let's talk about Antony's style, a left-footed winger who loves operating on the right, cutting inside and causing chaos. He's got blistering pace, excellent close control, creativity in tight spaces, a deadly curling shot from outside the box. Born and raised in Sao Paulo's football culture, Antony brings that street smart flair mixed with European tactical discipline from his time at Ajax and Manchester United. Now let's talk about Real Betis under Manuel Pellegrini. Betis playing as attacking possession based style with quick transitions. They thrive on quick one-touch pass, overlapping fullbacks, exploiting spaces on the wings. But here's the thing, they've sometimes lacked that explosive wingers who can take defenders on 1v1, stretch defenses and create something out of nothing. That's exactly where Antony fits in. Imagine Betis with Antony cutting inside, combining with Fekir, Isco or setting up Borja Iglesias. Defenders wouldn't know whether to close him down or cover the runners. It's a nightmare scenario for the opposition, of course. Statistically, Antony brings something Betis has been missing: his dribbling, success rate and chance creation per 90 minutes outshine many La Liga winners. High pressing intensity, check. Creativity under pressure, check. Ability to change the game in a single moment, double check. Plus, Pellegrini's system would allow him more freedom than he was having in the Premier League for Manchester United, letting him express himself while still fitting into the team's structure. Don't forget the Brazilian connection. Betis has a history of Brazilians thriving at the club, from Denilson to Emerson. The Ordilencian atmosphere, the passionate fans, and the tactical style of La Liga, it's a perfect match for Brazilian flair. So why is Antony perfect for Real Betis? He brings pace, creativity and flair. He fits seamlessly into Pellegrini's tactical setup, and he has the potential to elevate Betis from top 6 contenders to genius title challenges. If you agree, or if even you don't, drop your thoughts in the comments. Would Antony be hit at Betis? And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more football insight. See you in the next one.